Hey, the dude abides. And in honor of the big Lebowski, for day 12, I'm making you the dude. I mean, the White Russian. And as you know, I'm making 25 straight days of cocktail videos to help you for your next party, or just to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holidays. And if you like these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day they drop, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. All right, let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, you'll need to start with some vodka. Additionally, you'll need some coffee liqueur. I just picked up this bottle and figured I'd give it a try. And the last ingredient is, of course, that heavy cream. And since I'm making this drink directly into a rocks glass, I won't need many tools. I just need a stirring spoon to gently stir up this drink. And with that said, everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the rocks glass, I'll be adding in my 2 ounces of vodka. Next, I'm pouring in 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. Now I'm gonna throw a few ice cubes in and stir it up a bit. And the last ingredient is 1 ounce of heavy cream, and I'll just pour it right on top. I personally like mixing it up a little bit. And there you have it, the White Russian. Cheers. Well, I certainly know why the dude loves this drink. It's vodka, coffee, and cream. What I like about this drink is that it's not too sweet. Obviously, the cream is floated on top, and that's the first thing you taste, but you get that coffee and that vodka straight through. There's no fluff, no frills with this drink, and this is a very easy drink to get drunk on at a party. So tread lightly and have a great time. And in the comments, let me know if you've ever tried this drink. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you make it again? Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as I put out new videos and shorts each week. The support means a lot. But until next time, the dude abides.